Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will learn how to write addition of three numbers using Groovy programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. So we have here the title, addition of three numbers using print. In this line of code, we are asking the user to give first number, and then we have a variable num1 console red line to big decimal places. The same thing with this line of code, line 8 and 9, asking the user to give second number, and then 13 to 15 line, asking the user to give third number stored in variable num3, num2 in the second, and then we will perform addition. Dev, we declare a variable sum, assignment statement, num1 plus num2 plus num3, and then we display the result. The sum of $num1 comma $num2 and $num3 is sum. Okay, that's easy. Okay, let us right click, run the code. Let us wait. Okay. Wait for a while. While we are waiting, no, for the code to run, no. I wonder it is take some time. What happened? Wait, let us stop. Okay, it's running right now. I don't know what happened there, no. First number we have 4, second number we have 2, and then third number we have 1. The sum of 4, 2, and 1 is 7. Let us run again. Enter first number, we have 10, second number 12, third number we have 15. The sum of 10 and 12 and 15 is 37. Okay guys, so this is the end of my presentation on how to add three numbers using Groovy programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I'm just praying and hope that you learned something new in this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.